Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Make sure the router is powered, ISP service is live, and you know the SSID and password. On your Windows 11 PC, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and turn Wi-Fi on. Once done, Windows will list networks. Select your SSID. You enter the password intentionally. This establishes an encrypted link and authenticates you to the router. Make sure you choose the correct security option if prompted. That prevents weak connections and improves stability. If you prefer wired, plug an Ethernet cable from the router into your PC. Physical link lights confirm Layer 1 connectivity. Then go to Settings, Network, and Internet and inspect Ethernet details to verify IP assignment. DHCP should provide an IP4 address automatically. If you see a PIPA 169, 254, X, or no IP, open Device Manager. Right-click the adapter and update the driver, or choose Disable, then Enable to reset it. These steps resolve driver conflicts. Finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser or run ping 8 to confirm packets leave your PC, then ping a domain name to test DNS resolution. If pages don't load, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter from Settings. It automates fixes and provides error messages you can act on. One reliable troubleshooting tip: power cycle the router and your PC, receipt cables, and inspect adapter LEDs. Many transient issues clear with a reboot and a clean physical connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.